How to track cycling on Google Fit. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can track your activity as cycling on Google Fit app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. In case you don't know it yet, Google Fit is this Google app for the activity tracking. Now I have installed it previously and you just have to open it. So as you can see here, I am into my account, and in the bottom right corner you have like an add-in symbol, a plus symbol. I'm going to tap there and you have 4 different options. I'm going to select the last one, track workout, and obviously you must allow Fit to access these devices location. So I'm just gonna do it while using the app. You just have to select the activity you're gonna do. So by now, let's suppose this tutorial is about cycling, so utility biking. Okay, this is gonna open a map where you are right now, and you just have to tap into the play start utility biking button at the bottom of your screen. This is gonna begin, and obviously when you have finished your activity, your path, you just have to again go into your Google Fit app, tap into the pause button, just into the red button now, into the stop button. So this is gonna process, and this is gonna let you know the activity time, the distance, energy expended, move minutes, the speed, and also the elevation with this excellent app. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can track cycling on Google Fit. Thanks for watching.